the Polycom VVX150. In this video we will cover the device's functionality and the most commonly used features so that you're up to speed with your new phone. When your phone is first set up, please take a look at the phone and get used to where everything is. On the left is the receiver, and on the right you'll find your display and keypad. You'll also see some quick access buttons next to the keypad, such as the navigational arrow keys, headset and speakerphone buttons, and your physical mute, transfer and hold buttons. You also have physical volume buttons. If you're not on a call and use these buttons, it will adjust the ring volume, and if you're on a call, it will adjust the caller volume. The display screen is your main source of information for the device. When the phone is not in use, you will see the time and date, your line key and soft key options, and also feature notifications such as voicemail and do not disturb. The buttons to the left of your screen are your line keys. These keys can be configured to be used to add additional lines with your main extension or assign busy lamp field or line keys for other extensions. The buttons below the screen are your soft keys. These buttons will change depending on the phone's activity. When not on a call, you'll have access to the forwarding and do not disturb options. To dial an outbound call, start dialing your number using the dial pad and then use the receiver, headset button or speaker button to start your call depending on what you're using. You'll see all the call information on the screen, and you will see the additional soft key options at the bottom of the screen. While on a call, you can start a separate call by placing the person on hold, and then dial the number for your second call and then press the dial soft key. To return to the first caller, press the down arrow key and then select the original call and then press the resume soft key. To answer an incoming call, simply lift the receiver, press the headset button or speaker button depending on what you're using. Again, you'll see all the call information on the screen along with the additional soft key options at the bottom of the screen. To answer a call waiting, simply press the blinking line key. This will automatically place the first call on hold and answer the new call. To go back to the first call, you can press the down arrow key to select the original call and then press the resume soft key. You can place a call on hold by pressing the physical hold button or pressing the hold soft key. The caller will be placed on hold, showing the word hold on the screen. To take the person off hold, press the blinking line key or simply press the resume soft key to do so. Attended transfer allows you to speak to the person you'd like to transfer the call to before actually transferring the call through. To do this, at the bottom of the screen, press the transfer soft key. This will place the caller on hold, then dial the extension or number you'd like to transfer the call to, and then wait for the other person to answer the call. Once you've spoken to the person, you can complete the transfer by pressing the transfer soft key and the call will successfully transfer. A blind transfer allows you to immediately transfer the call to your preferred destination. While you're on a call, press the transfer soft key to place the caller on hold. Then, press the blind soft key to change the transfer type. Dial the number or extension you'd like to transfer the call to, and then press the send button. The call then will be sent to the destination. Conference calls allow you to merge two active calls together, which allows a three-party call. When you're on a call, press the conference soft key. The call will be placed on hold. You then have to dial the new number or extension, and then once answered, press the more soft key and then the conference button again, which will merge the two calls to create the conference call. You can manage the conference call with the additional soft key options. Press the hold soft key to put the conference on hold. Press the manage soft key to mute or disconnect parties individually. Pressing the more soft key will give you additional options for the conference. Press the split soft key to separate the call and place both parties on separate holds. It also gives you the ability to part the conference or even the ability to flip the conference back to your extension. You can end the conference by pressing the end call soft key. If the call has to hold for a user that is currently not at their desk or is near a different device, you can easily part the call to allow to pick up the call from any device on the account. Press the more soft key to access the second page of soft key options. Press the park soft key and the call will be dropped from your device while being placed on hold, and then an automated voice will prompt you informing you of the extension number the caller was parked on. And then all you have to do is dial the park extension number to immediately pick up the call on their device. If you need to move a call to a different device such as Handset's Collaborate on your mobile, you can use the call flip feature to send the call back to your extension. Press the More soft key twice to access the third page of the soft key options, and then press the Call Flip soft key. The call is placed on hold and then sent back to your extension as a new call, so you can pick up the call on any device assigned to your user account. The call history stores records of all calls made or received on your device. You can use the arrow keys to quickly access specific call history lists such as received and placed calls, and you can press the home button and navigate to directories and select recent calls. You can redial any of the calls by using the arrow keys to select the call and then pressing the dial soft key. You can also add a history call as a contact. Select the call with the arrow keys and then press the info soft key. Press the save soft key and then you can edit the name and contact information, and then press the save soft key to store the information in the phone's directory. To access the directory, press the DIR soft key and then select Contact Directory. All your saved contacts will be listed here, and you can call the contact by pressing the dial soft key on their number. You can also press the Add soft key to add a new contact anytime. You will see a DND soft key button near the bottom. If you press that, a DND icon will appear on the right of the screen. To turn off Do Not Disturb, press the DND soft key again. You can set call forwarding on your device at any time. Click on the forward soft key to access call forwarding settings. You'll have 3 forwarding options. All forwarding will forward all the calls to the number you enter. No answer forward would forward the call if you're on a call, and if the call hasn't been picked up, it will forward the call depending on how many rings you've set. Busy forward would forward any calls you have rejected to the number you've entered. If the caller leaves a voicemail, you will see a voicemail icon next to your line keys, and a display of how many new voicemail messages you have on your screen. The note will stay visible till you listen to your new voicemail messages. To check your voicemail, press the home button and then go and open your messages, and then click on Message Center. Press the Connect soft key to connect to your voicemail and enter your PIN to listen to your new voicemail messages or set up your personal greetings.